Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. A cold mist spreads across VocabLand, bringing everything to a halt. Clocks freeze, gears stop, and time feels stuck everywhere. A powerful word fits this moment: inexorable. Deep inside the gray factory, the cold keeps moving forward. The force is slow and steady, never stopping or turning back. Trying to push against it makes no difference at all. A new idea appears by moving with the force instead of fighting it. The unstoppable flow helps set the frozen gears in motion. Clocks begin ticking again as the factory comes back to life. Inexorable means impossible to stop, and Timo learns to move with it, not against it.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.